How to delete Facebook device login history. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Facebook on a device. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then go to settings. Now simply scroll down until you find activity log. Now under your activity, simply tap on activity log. Now tap on security and login information. Now tap on where you are logged in. Now tap on three dots on the device history you want to remove. Now tap on logout and repeat the same process for other devices. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.